So let me get this right. A plane coming from Montreal, Canada, lands at LaGuardia Airport, crashes into a fire truck that was on the runway. This same fire truck was heading to another plane on that same runway. Air traffic control is guiding this fire truck. And then the unthinkable happens. Mind you, someone has a premonition that something is going to happen at LaGuardia Airport. Look at this shit right here. Please leave LaGuardia Airport. There is something bad coming. I don't know when. Then they go on to say, after this shit happened, they said, I warned you, LaGuardia Airport was in danger. If you did not believe I am a nation prophet called by God, do you believe me now? 72 passengers on board. Pilot and co-pilot lost their life. One pilot died from impact. Other pilot ejected out of the seat. Listen to this.
Frontier 4195.
You're talking to the fire truck.
Stop, truck one. Stop. Stop, truck one. Stop. Stop, truck one.
So air traffic control gives the command to stop. Truck keeps going. But who's guiding the plane? Now you see how they let that out? Why didn't they let out what was being said to the pilots? Something ain't right about all this. And again, all of that damage that happened, that was caused by a fire truck. Condolences to the pilots. Speedy recovery to everybody that got hurt.
Truck one, stop.
Ground Unit 2384 is declaring an emergency. The flight attendants in the back are feeling ill because of the odor. We will need to go into any available gate at this time.
Okay, roger that. Hey, this is Ed again. Do you guys have any gate for United? Because now they're declaring an emergency. They want to get out. Yeah.
Let me ask them. I'll call you right back.
Okay, roger that. Jazz 646, LaGuardia.
Yeah, with you for DRS 4 for Jazz 646.
646, number 2, clear to land 4.
Close to land number 2 for Jazz 646.
And 2384, do you have a gate available at this time? Otherwise, we will be probably requesting air stairs.
Give me 1 second.
2384.
Stand by, United. Who's the vehicle needed to cross the runway? Emergency vehicles calling on ground, or are you calling on tower?
Truck 1 and Company, LaGuardia Tower.
Truck 1 and Company.
Truck 1 and Company, LaGuardia Tower, requesting to cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company, cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company, crossing 4 at Delta.
Frontier 4195, just stop there, please. Stop. Truck 1, stop. Sorry, Truck 1. Stop, Truck 1. Stop, Truck 1, stop.
4195, we're staying here.
Delta 2603, go around, runway heading 2000. Jazz 646. Jazz 646, I see you collide with a vehicle there, just hold position. I know you can't move. The vehicles are responding to you now.
Is the runway closed?
Delta 2603, go around, runway heading 2000.
Alright, 2000, go around, 2603.
LaGuardia Tower.
Tower, Carnage, to reiterate, LaGuardia Airport is closed at this time. No aircraft in or out.
Okay.